Hello and welcome. I am Mohammed Salih from MQ Computer Services LLC. We are the official Shopify Developer Partner for UAE and the Middle East with over 10 years of experience in Shopify. If you need any help with Shopify, contact us for any type of Shopify related tasks. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through Shopify's new feature that allows you to duplicate menus directly from the Shopify admin. This update is designed to save you time and effort by letting you create exact copies of your menus, including all their links so you don't have to rebuild complex navigation structures from scratch. Let's get started. Step 1. Log in to Shopify admin. Begin by logging into Shopify admin dashboard. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to manage your store's navigation. From the Shopify admin, navigate to the content, which can be seen as a page in left side menu, and click on menus. Here you'll see a list of all your existing menus. Step 3. Select a menu. Choose the menu you want to duplicate from the list. Step 4. Duplicate the menu. On the menu detail page, look for the new duplicate action. Click on it. Shopify will instantly create an exact copy of the selected menu, including all of its links. Step 5. Rename and adjust. After duplicating, you can rename the new menu to fit your needs. Make any necessary adjustments to the menu structure or links before saving. The benefits of menu duplication. Duplicating menus is especially useful if you want to, number 1, create variations of your navigation for different parts of your store. Number 2, set up seasonal or promotional menus without starting from scratch. Number 3, maintain consistency across multiple navigation structures. Shopify launched the menu duplication feature on June 10, 2025, providing developers and store owners with greater flexibility to manage multiple menus for different occasions. For instance, if you want to create a special menu just for the hot summer season in the UAE and easily switch it out when the season ends, this feature makes it simple to duplicate, customize, and activate menus as needed. This enhancement streamlines seasonal promotions and allows for efficient menu management without rebuilding navigation from scratch. Contact MQ Computer Services LLC, your trusted Shopify developer partner in the UAE and Middle East, for expert support and solutions.